Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous session, we have discussed about the balance sheet evaluation. Now in today's session, we are going to discuss about the material ledger in material management. So first of all, what is material ledger? Material ledger is responsible to record all the things regarding the materials used. Okay, so material ledger in SAP is essentially item wise record showing the changes in the stock. Okay, so material ledger, that means a ledger that is containing the information about the materials and the changes in the stock of the material. Okay, so material records pertaining to opening stock, goods receipt, invoice receipt, debits, credits, etc. Every type of information of this kind is stored in the material ledger. So this ledger with the complete record of each single transaction of the material forms the basis to calculate actual cost for the material at period end. That means the material ledger is responsible to store the complete record of every transaction related to the material in your company to calculate the actual cost of the material at the end. Okay, so the actual price is calculated in SAP is called periodic unit price and can be used to reevaluate the inventory. This actual price can also be treated as standard cost for the next month. Based on the previous cost, we can make the calculation for the standard cost for the next month. So the material ledger also become useful in cases where the transfer prices are active between the organizational units of the same enterprise. Suppose you are having your organization unit in Delhi, same you have organization unit in the Bombay. So you can make the transfer of the price between the different organization unit of same enterprise, that is transfer prices between two legal entities, two groups or two profit center. Okay, means same enterprise having multiple organizational units can share the price. In this case, material ledger provides the base value for transfer price calculation for the sending material and record the transfer price for the receiving material. Now how it interfaces with the user. With material ledger active, a SAP user get exposed to some additional information also. When you use SAP, you can get to know more about the material ledger. Okay, so following additional information is available at his or her disposal. First information is line item display of all transitions that have happened to the material. Okay, every change happened to the material is displayed using this line item. Okay, so second is ability to see the inventory value in more than one currency. So basically material ledger is used to represent the inventory value in more than one currency, or you can say in multiple currency. Okay, so this was all about the material ledger. We will discuss more about material ledger during the practical parts. Thanks for watching this video.